over 2,900 pieces, the Yottaminx is the largest Rubik's Cube ever mass-produced. And this is me. That is character 1 of the Yottaminx history. On the 11th of April 2025, I broke the Yottaminx world record. 6 months went by. But then, on the 9th of October, someone beat my record. 9 hours, 44 minutes. Not acceptable. And this is where our next character comes in. Sbrocli. Mr. Broccoli. Now, Mr. Broccoli is evil. Mr. Broccoli lives in Florida. He's a clock fanboy as well. Tommy Cherry. Tommy Cherry is a cuber. He also likes the Rubik's clock. They're a pair of clock fanboys. We can't have this. Mr. Broccoli is going to lend his Yottaminx to Tommy Cherry. I'm not just fighting against Mr. Broccoli anymore. I'm fighting against the Florida salad. It's time to win. I need to get a time faster than 9 hours 44 minutes, which will crown me as the winner. I'm gonna win.
If I can't let you go, will darkness divide? For the fiction of love is the truth of our lives. We were playing for keeps, but we both knew the cost. Now the only way out in your heart-shaped box. But I hate that it seems you were never enough. We were broken and bleeding, but never gave up. And I hate that I made you the enemy. And I hate that was blind. And when every time I set a course into the dark night, it would follow me silently with searchlights. I was only in my mind. You were on the outside waiting. I could feel you all the time. Your voice could save me. Now all these sirens sing for me, but I just wanna hear your melody. I call and I can hear you sing, but it's only my echo. It's only my echo. I thought it was destiny. I was gonna conquer the sky, then plummet to the ground and be anchored by your side. But when every time I found myself upon new heights, I would climb again and leave you in the moonlight. I was only in my mind. You were on the outside waiting. I could feel you all the time. Your voice could save me. Now all these sirens sing for me, but I just wanna hear your melody. I call and I can hear you sing, but it's only my echo. It's only my echo. I know life is a journey. So what happened to me? Tell me, why was I in such a hurry? I don't know, I don't know. I know life is a journey, but you gave up on me early. Tell me, why were you in such a hurry? I don't know, I don't know. Show the way 'cause it's blurry. Show the way and you mercy. Tell me, nothing new and I'm worried. It's all I know, I was only in my mind. You were on the outside waiting. I could feel you all the time. Your voice could save me. Now all these sirens sing for me, but I just wanna hear your melody. I call and I can hear you sing, but it's only my echo. It's only my echo. Help me surrender my control, searching for the depth of my own soul. I bleed but far beneath. My cover keeps the red from leaking. I'm bleeding on the inside, the fear before the fall. 6 feet above the next time I lose it all. Keep your silence or reach for life beyond the stars. Save your mercy for someone who needs it more. I'm the guilty. All the feelings come crashing down on me. I'm taking you with me. Help me, I'm losing on my own. Locked up in a cage and not alone. Show me a way to keep the hate from taking control. I'm breaking. I'm bleeding on the inside, the fear before the fall. 6 feet above the next time I lose it all. Keep your silence or reach for life beyond the stars. Save your mercy for someone who needs it more. I'm the guilty. All the feelings come crashing I'll forget, but I'll never forgive you. Don't you know, don't you know? True friends stab you in the front. It's funny how things work out, such a bitter irony, like a kick right to the teeth. It fell apart right from the start, but I couldn't even see the forest for the tree. I'm afraid you asked for this. You go alone now, with all our spine. You made your bed when you worried about mine. This is I wouldn't hold my breath if I was you, 'cause I'll forget but I'll never forgive you. Don't you know, don't you know? True friends stab you in the front. I wouldn't hold my breath if I was you. You broke my heart and there's nothing you can do. And now you know, now you know. True friends stab you in the front. It's kinda sad, 'cause what we had, well, it could have been something. I guess it wasn't meant to be. So how dare you drench to my flame just 'cause you're faded? Well, hate is gasoline. I find it fueling all my dreams. I'm afraid you asked for this. You go alone now, with all our spine. You made your bed when you worried about mine. This is I wouldn't hold my breath if I was you, 'cause I'll forget but I'll never forgive you. Don't you know, don't you know? True friends stab you in the front. I wouldn't hold my breath if I was you. You broke my heart and there's nothing you can do. And now you know, now you know. True friends stab you in the front. 'You can run, but you can't hide. Time won't help you, 'cause karma has no deadline. You can run, but you can't hide. Time won't help you, 'cause karma has no deadline. I wouldn't hold my breath if I was you, 'cause I'll forget but I'll never forgive you. Don't you know, don't you know? True friends stab you in the front. I wouldn't hold my breath if I was you. You broke my heart and there's nothing you can do. And now you know, now you know. True friends stab you in the front. And now you know, now you know. True friends stab you in the front. And now you know, now you know. True friends stab you in the front.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.